My dearest school, my heart desires. Blessed child, miss, we feel great and bold. I am proud that I'm in blessed child. Freely brave, blessed child. My dearest school, my heart desires.
I know, say, Bia. Oh, fear, we am penny some at two movies now at the woman make a way and penny some. You did not nurses. Please don't listen. You met me, I can't say, and penny some now let me do what you do. You don't penny some, they say, or life, your person will in some open acting. Acting so get the now, and penny some, yeah. We are be super soy doctor, or be person like or be a dinner person. Soldier.
Hey, one of the
wow, what I say, don't give up. Fight for what you want. For school, no. And because okay, what do you baby? Okay, what do you mean? I am mama for you to do. I know it's going to be hard. It's going to be very, very, very hard along the way. But it doesn't mean say you should what give up. Fight for what you want. And if you fight for what you want, so on your results now, you'll be so proud of yourself. Because you know what, I'm start to someone and started acting. And the acting was a bit difficult in a way because when I combine acting in school. What you are saying? Yes. Let me our sex so now me me homework. I actually am myself for school. We feel school and myself for sex. If you are old, you're a bit easier man. But it doesn't mean say
no,
you should
listen to Maame Serwaa.
So please learn hard, be respectful, and what? Don't give up.
Okay, so from what the superstar is saying, who can summarize what she just said for plantain chips? What did she just say? You raise your hand. Yes. You should never give up.
Clap
Okay,
for her.
Clap for her. Who else? What did she say? And learn hard. Here you go. Yes. And you, what did she say? What? You should be respectful. Okay, here you go. Who else? Who else remembers? Okay, so from what the superstar is saying, who can summarize what she just said for plantain chips? What did she just say? You raise your hand. Yes. You should never give up.
Clap for her.
Clap for her. Who else? What did she say? And learn hard. Here you go. Yes. And you, what did she say? What? You should be respectful. Okay, here you go. Who else? Who else remembers? Quick. Yes. You should what? All right, here you go. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Focus on your education, even when you are talented, right? She said she used to go on set shooting, but still that's her homework on the set. All right, here you go. All right, who else?
We should achieve our dreams.
Achieve your dreams. Here you go. Who else? You should fight for what you want. What does that mean? Okay, don't worry. Take it. Okay, sure. And I watch him on. She came with gifts. She's giving you a gift. Are you not happy? Yeah. So you clap for Maame Serwaa. Today is a lucky day. Yeah.
You have a song.
You have a song you want to sing?
For her.
Okay, sing it as she's sharing it for you. Why whenever you give you? All right, let's hear your song. Ready? Go.
Mommy.
My dearest school, my heart desires. Blessed child, miss, we feel great and bold. I am proud that I'm in blessed child. Freely brave, blessed child. My dearest school, my heart desires.
Thank you, Professor. Now you can go. Bye bye.
So learn to be your brother's keeper. So if you got some and your brother didn't get some, or your sister didn't get some, you can share, okay?
Now wait, they came for excursion, so let them know.